Join us at 100 Humanitarians International, where your hands-on efforts can change lives. Be a part of our local volunteer opportunities right here in Utah. Volunteer at a garden tower sew-a-thon, where you'll help us create innovative garden towers. These towers empower families around the world to grow their own food, fostering self-reliance and sustainability. Our sew-a-thons are a collaborative effort involving 5 dynamic teams: cutting, pinning, sewing, folding, and drilling holes. Each role is essential in bringing these garden towers to life. Plus, it's a fun way to serve. Join our Underwear Cut-a-Thons, where you'll be helping to cut out underwear patterns from soft t-shirts and stretch cotton material. These garments are vital for girls in Kenya, ensuring that they can attend school with confidence and dignity. Providing underwear is more than just meeting a basic need. It's about opening doors to education. Your involvement helps these girls gain self-reliance and confidence as they move forward in life. Ready to make a difference? Visit our website at 100humanitarians.org/volunteer to sign up for monthly opportunities across Utah. Interested in hosting an event for your group? Come learn how, and together, we can plan an impactful experience. Be part of our mission to foster empowerment and self-reliance. Your efforts here can create ripples of change across the globe.